Today our topic is nutrition in ruminants, the animals that quickly eat the fodder and store it in a part of stomach called rumen. Rumen partially digest and store food in stomach. This stored food is called cud. They just store food in their stomach, and when they need their food they just come in their mouth. They just make food back at their mouth and they chew them. They are ruminants. The process of bringing back the cud to mouth for complete chewing is called rumination. The process of bringing back the cud to the mouth for complete chewing is called rumination. Animals who chew cud are called ruminants, and the animals are called ruminants. Ruminant stomach consists of 4 chambers. The first one is rumen, reticulum, omasum, and abomasum. Such a 4-chambered stomach is now called as compound stomach. So let's see the mechanism. Mechanism of nutrition for the ruminants. Here you can see there is a cow in which the nutrition or the stomach system is just represented here. Here you can see there are some labeling. Here you can see there is the same esophagus like in the humans. There are rumen. You can see the omasum part. You can see the reticulum part. In the omasum they store food, and then at the time when they need, they just come back to their mouth. So here you can see I just depicted from the flow chart. Here you can see. Here is first of all, the food swallowed by the ruminants entered the first biggest chamber, that is rumen. Here the food is grinded, then it moves into the reticulum, from where it is returned into the mouth to be broken into smaller pieces and converted into a soft pulp called cud. It is now chewed thoroughly. You now know that the process of chewing cud is called rumination. Then it is pushed directly into the 3rd chamber omasum, and then it is pushed into the last chamber abomasum. In this 4th chamber, digestive juices mix with the one semi-liquid cud. These juices break down the food into simpler form. This semi-digested food now enters the small intestine, from where the remaining digestion process continues as it does in human beings. So that was the whole process. Like, it is just first enter into the rumen, then it is pushed into the reticulum, then into the mouth, from where the food is just broken down into smaller pieces, then in the omasum and abomasum, and then into the small intestine, where it is just continues the process like it is continues in human beings. Like there was in human being reticulum and colon, and then anus, rectum and anus, from where the food was just absorbed and the rest of the waste was just get rid of. So here you have to complete this. And for the next, so did you ever think that why have the ruminants developed the habit of chewing cud? So you must know that cows, sheep, etc. are herbivores. Their food is rich in cellulose, and cellulose is a complex sugar and it is difficult to digest. So that's why they have to chew it regularly, or you can say the continually. So that's why they are just bringing back the cud to the mouth, and there they chew the rest of their food. So that's how. So they developed this habit. Now there is an activity for you. Take a small piece of bread and try to chew it. How does it taste? Continue chewing till you get a sweet taste. Do you know why does it taste sweet now? The bread is a kind of starch. That was carbs, kind of a carb. When you eat something, it gets mixed up with saliva. Saliva contains an enzyme called petrelin, which converts starch into sugar. That is why the bread tastes sweet if you chew it continuously. Repeat this activity with vegetables and boiled rice. Write down what you feel after chewing them. Continue. So this is your activity. You have to do this and write on your books or notebooks. So hope you are getting all. If there is any confusion, then you can ask in comments. Thank you.